Good evening, this is VJ Franz K, and I'm looking at the Roland S1 portable synthesizer. So this is part of the new generation of smaller synthesizers. Basically, we live in a world of mobile devices now, so they're making the techno boxes smaller than they were in the 80s and the 90s. And now a lot of them are battery powerable, and they're ready to be used for a jam anywhere. So that is cool. The Aira series is small, but now I guess this is the third generation of Aira, or the fourth, depending on how you count it. And this is the smallest set of them, the Mini Aira, I believe they're called. So here we go. The box here. And same size and shape as the other, except of course it has nice green light to distinguish it, green edges to distinguish it from the other units in the series. There is a drum machine with a 303 style synthesizer in the series. There is a chord synthesizer. Let's see, does it have charge already? Is it already charged up? Yes, it is. There we go. So this doesn't have a built-in speaker, but it is, of course, very small, like the other ones in the series. There's a MIDI in and out. There is a USB. There's also the sync in and out. I'm going to use the sync out on this Volca new bass here. So I will connect this to the in. There we go. It's already registering. And then, let's see, where is my sound? The only outputs on these smaller devices are a single headphone jack. So there it is. Guess I don't hear anything yet. I'll go to my mixer on the RC505 here. Oh, my instrument 2 is muted, of course. Actually, yes. Is this the instrument 2? Yeah, I think that's true. So I'll do there. There we go. All right. So it is called the S1 because it is based on the classic SH1, which stands for synthesizer, shin, or sheen, the sizer, and nice straightforward controls with these knobs here. I can hear my delay effects are here, so I could turn it up or down. One knob per function controls. That's quite nice, you know, and I can turn the reverb up or down. Reminds me of the effects on the E4 voice system there. But let's see. I guess I will start it up and it'll probably start a sequencer going there. So let's get the beat going on the RC505, which is controlling my Electron Syntact over here and then sending out through the MIDI through into the vocal new bass and then through the sync in to the S1. Let's see if that works. guess it isn't working actually. Let's see. Let's see my sync out, sync in, sync out. I wonder if there is some other setting I have to do. I'll try it with one of the other vocals in a minute, but so turn this down. Turn up the sub or down, turn up the noise, get some percussive sounds there. Get some video game type sounds there. That's good. So I guess this is the LFO depth there. And that's the rate. So it can go very slow, or I see, you can make it does sound like it's, see, pattern. Oh nice, it's got a sort of percussion sound. That's a nice preset there, but let's see. If I hold the pattern down, I can go to bank 4, and then 416, maybe it'll be empty, so I could start recording my own pattern here. So let's try this. Standard XOX controls, as they say. So if I had the record here, that's a great beginning, right? Reverb there. Now, here was a special feature that I wanted to try, which is the I see it's moving it left and right in the stereo field there. Shift button and then hold this, I can change it to the pitch. Let's see, shift, pitch, resonance, roll, pitch, resonance, okay, and then enter. Will I actually have to read the manual? Let's see. Shift. Resonance. Pitch. Roll. Pitch. Enter. Oh, I see. Here it is. All right. So here is the frequency. I see. So we're setting a dimension. It looks like I have to hold down this button to make it do it, which is kind of bad. I would rather just... Alright, so let's see. Function, demotion, pitch, roll, resonance. Alright. We'll figure this out later. But the roll, then press this enter, and that is set to pan, but now I'll set it to R level pitch bend, send it to resonance, and then exit. There we go. So now these sort of are controlling the resonance of the thing. That could be great for live performance, and you know, I've liked having these small battery-powered synthesizers to take with me and do live performances, so that could be great. I do hope they will make that a toggle switch instead of a momentary, just because it'd be more useful. But so I can change the octave there, and changing like this mini synthesizer. And since it's synced up, watch this. I can record it right to my RC505. Here we go. But I need to mute my microphone if I'm going to do that. Synthesizer 101. Synthesizer S1. Synthesizer 101. Synthesizer S1. Synthesizer 101. Synthesizer S1. Synthesizer 101.
Synthesizer
S1. Anyway, so having fun looping, getting all kinds of different loops going there, and this is going to be a great addition to my portable music performance thing. These things don't make music, they're just synthesizer S1. Seems great to me. So later on I will try this with other machines, and but it's a nice synthesizer to see. So now maybe I'll try put some noise. So maybe I'm adding some drums now because I turned down the oscillators and I turned up the noise. And then I'll put this on also. Use the tilt there. Alright, I'll mute my mic again. Seems very nice. This is VJ Franz K, finishing a quick unboxing and first try of the S1 portable synthesizer. It's a mini Aira synthesizer from Roland. I can see this is going to be great for a show. I also have the E4, and I have my Aira TR6S